Hey guys, it's me again, and today is day 6 of Vlogmas, and welcome back. Right? Right, Shasha? We say welcome back? Yeah. She's the baby. You want choo-choo? You want to get your choo-choo? Want choo-choo? Hey, choo-choo. Sit. Sit. Pop. Good girl. Mickey, you want choo-choo? You want choo-choo? Come here. Come here. Where are you? Choo-choo? So it is the end of the night. It's about 6:30. Right there. About 6:30. That clock is ahead. But yeah, so I just got home from work. I ate. I was so hungry. And I had my shrimp tacos dinner. And today, so this morning, you know, I'm trying to keep it low carb, keto, that thing. And this morning, I gotta get more water. I had for breakfast some scrambled eggs and some sausage. And that kept me full for pretty much the rest of the day, because I didn't really eat lunch. Now I'm gonna admit I had some cookie because work had a little holiday party thing, and so the only thing that I really found appealing to eat was the cookie. So I ate some of the cookie, and that was it. And so now I got home and I was starving, but I had my low carb tortilla with my shrimp, some chipotle mayo, cabbage. That's it. And then I had some blueberries too. But that's about it. Today is really nothing too exciting on day 6, to be honest with you guys. I'm still pretty sore from Monday's workout, and I haven't gone back, so I am going to go back tomorrow to Orange Theory. Oops. But yeah, I mean, there's really nothing else, so I think this is going to be the shortest vlog. And again, I'm combining the days that I'm vlogging, because really the videos are really short. So updating 6 and 7 on Friday, and then, so what's today, Wednesday or Tuesday? No. Okay. So I'll upload, yeah, on Friday. That's what I'll do. Vlogmas 4 and 5. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, if I have anything else to say, I will for now. Thanks for watching this short snippet of Vlogmas Day 6. Bye. Hey guys, it's me, and I am at the gas station right now. But it is day 7 of Vlogmas, and I just got off of work, but I need gas. I hope you guys are having a good day, or had a good day. It was pouring earlier, but now it has kind of stopped. But I need to go to Target and pick up some stuff, so I will take you guys along with that. And then I need to make something on my Cricut for somebody, so that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say hello, welcome, hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi, puppies. Hey guys, I'm home and they're excited. Hi. 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 Guys, I'm pooped, but I just got home. So I went to Target and I didn't really film in there because I felt awkward. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got from Target real quick. Like a quick little mini haul. No. So I got this pretty little Christmas bag to put the ornament present I have, and I'll show you guys that. And then I got this jacket sleeve, and then it has pockets, cause girls need pockets. And it's from Wild Fable, and I got it in a medium. It's pretty big anyways in a medium, so I like the way the medium fit, and it kind of comes up to like maybe right above your butt, depending how high of a butt you have. But it was 40 bucks, so I got that. Paste, yes. And I got a gift card for my person, because I'm gonna give her like ornament, this, and some candy, because that's her favorite. Some deodorant degree, 48-hour protection. Yeah. So I got that. That's all. So now I'm hungry. Stuff back in here. Okay. I'm super hungry, so we are going to make in the toaster oven some, and temperature is about 375. Wait, temp. 3. Okay. This is real dirty. Do not judge. No judging here, because I'm hungry. Let me fix this real quick. The wings I'm going to make are from Trader Joe's. These right here, they're hot and spicy. I have about 3, which is 1 serving, and it's 200 calories, 14 grams of fat. I don't know if you guys can see that, but hello. 14, okay, whatever. 14 grams of fat, 3 carbs, 15-gram protein. So that's gonna be day 7 of Vlogmas. Who is this? Hello. I think last time I did this, I only made it to, was it 6? I think I just made it to day 6. And so yeah, we're gonna do this. We're doing this. So my weight loss journey, I weigh myself every morning, and I really have only gotten down to 1 pound this week, but I know why. So I'm not doing it right, obviously, or else I would see some more change. But a loss is a loss, right? A loss is a loss. They're not too big nor too small, but they're decent size. And sometimes, depending, if they are too small, then I'll have 4. And since there's only 4 left in the bag, that's what I'm gonna do. 4 it is. So yeah. So once that's done, and once the toaster oven is ready, then I'm gonna put it in for about. So I'm gonna starve myself an additional 30 minutes. Why not? The tree is still not decorated, guys. I'm telling you. See these patches? That needs to be fixed. See, that's all good, but then, yeah, you have all those patches. So I'm hoping by this weekend it's all going to be resolved, and we can put up the Christmas decor on it, and then I'll give you a full tour of the decor. Small tree over there that I want to redo and put new lights on, because the lights that are on there are multicolored, and the ornaments that I have for it won't go with a multicolored thing. So this color, and I think I showed you guys before, but that's what I'm doing. These are cute. I didn't see these before. They're for the ornaments. So yeah. And I got these from Michael's to go around the tree or somewhere. But I think I'm done Christmas shopping because, okay, there's another thing. I have this tree right here. I'm gonna show you guys. This tree right here. I want to exchange it. Not exchange it. I just want to get a new one. And it's small, but it's for this area right here. So I'm okay. So that small one. But that tree, I want a white one. And I think the white tree will look really nice with the ornaments I got. So that's that. Alright, and guess what came in the mail? This right here, guys. New faucet. I believe this is it. So this is being replaced. See? I'm so excited. Alright guys, I'm going to put this in the toaster before dinner. Alright, we're going up. New faucet, please. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Guys, so as I put into the video, I did a little Cricut kind of quick thing. I personalized the box of the person I'm giving the ornament to, that she wanted. So I did that, and I always think that's super cute when a box is kind of personalized for someone. So this is what I'm doing with the ornaments that I had gotten from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to work on that this weekend, and I'll show you guys. And I'm going to stuff with this like snowflake stuff. Then I saw this one girl did it with feathers. So now I'm going to go look for a feather. Cute idea. So yeah. But this is the end of Vlogmas Day 7. Thanks for coming back, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.